Hello guys and welcome back. This is Mode Network. Mode Network is a modular DeFi L2 being built on Optimism, and it's got airdrops right now, and you can get the points or the benefits of the airdrop by bridging. In this case, you have to be using the app bridge between Ethereum network and Mode network, and down the line they're gonna be obviously launching their token, and you'll be able to get the benefit, go get in early, get some free tokens, and hopefully make a lot of money with it when the price increases. That's what they do, that's what they want with all the airdrops that I'm covering. Use the network, build the hype, let's call it, about their launches, and then bring more people in. Hopefully, as you can see, the benefits as well of Mode network will be 10 times lower fees than Ethereum, which is by far the biggest issue on Ethereum. And hopefully they're going to launch soon, and we're gonna get some airdrop from that. So what you have to do is go to the airdrop page. As you can see here, the airdrop page, where you first see a code to provide. I will drop the code down below in the comments and also in the below the video, and then after that you'll see that you have some points. Hopefully I had some, I didn't even do anything honestly. And then to secure the points basically, and you see those tasks here, there are some tasks. I'm not sure if they're all available because the bridge here, maybe the points were if you did some other transactions in general back, you know, in your life, in your wallet's life, let's call it. But as you can see, the final step is to bridge to secure the points. So all you have to do is bridge some tokens to the Mode network. So let's say we switch to Ethereum, and then we've got some tokens available, let's say in 0.01, and bridge it, confirm the transactions, and that's how you're going to secure the points basically. I did that on the other wallet, but the gas fees are extremely high on Ethereum, so make sure you understand that and maybe wait for some other time when it's less busy. But that's what it is. To secure those points and earn later more, you have to do some task, which in this case is bridging the the Ethereum to Mode network. So this is it. Let me know any comments, any questions, and thank you for watching.